Secretary of the company, and I'm attending this meeting from the Registered Office of the company at Calcutta.
The representatives of the secretarial auditors, statutory auditors, and scrutinizers have joined the meeting. I would now request the Company Secretary, Mr. Sharad Bagri, to provide general instructions to the members regarding participation in the meeting.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to take you through certain points regarding participation in this meeting. Since the physical attendance of members has been dispensed with, the facility for appointment of proxies by the members is not available for this AGM. Members have been provided with a facility to attend the AGM through video conference or other audiovisual means, or view the live webcast of AGM from the CDSL e-voting system. All members who joined this meeting are by default placed on mute mode to avoid any disturbances arising from the background noise and ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. Pursuant to the provisions of Companies Act 2013 and the listing regulations, the company provided to its members the facility to exercise their rights to vote at this AGM by electronic means. The remote e-voting commenced on Monday, the 18th August 2025 at 9 a.m. and ended on Wednesday, the 20th August 2025 at 5 p.m. The members who have not cast their vote by remote e-voting prior to the meeting and who are participating in this meeting may cast their votes during this meeting through e-voting system provided by CDSL. Members are requested to log in through e-voting website of CDSL and cast their votes while at the same time watch the proceedings of this meeting. This facility shall remain active for 15 minutes till the conclusion of this meeting and then disabled automatically. The Board of Directors have appointed Mr. Shri Kapoor, Practicing Company Secretary, as scrutinizer for this meeting. The scrutinizer shall submit her report and detailed results of the e-voting, and the same shall be uploaded on the website of the company within 48 hours from the conclusion of this meeting and shall also be sent to the Bombay Stock Exchange where the shares of the company are listed. Members are requested to refer to the instructions provided in the notice for a seamless participation through video conference and for voting during the meeting. Since the AGM is being held through video conference and the resolutions mentioned in the notice convening this AGM have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, there will be no proposing and seconding of the resolutions. I now request Mr. Hemant Bangar, our Chairman, to continue with the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you.
In compliance with the MCA and SEBI circulars, notice of the annual general meeting and the annual report have been sent only through electronic mode. In accordance with Regulation 36(1)(b) of the SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulation 2015, as amended from time to time, the SEBI listing regulations, a physical communication has also been sent to those shareholders whose email IDs are not registered, containing the web link and exact path of the company's website from where the annual report 2024 can be accessed. The notice convening the AGM and the audited accounts for the year ended 31st March 2025 are with you for some time now, and with your permission, I take them as read. The auditor's report on the annual accounts of the company and the secretarial auditor's report on the audit of the secretarial records of the company for the year ended 31st March 2025 does not contain any qualification or adverse remarks. I take them as read. As the members are aware that the notice of the meeting dated 17th May 2025 covers 6 agenda items, I would like to move the following resolution for consideration and approval of the members. Ordinary business, resolution number 1, ordinary resolution, approval of the standalone audited financial statements of the company for the year ended 31st March 2025 along with the report of auditors and directors. Ordinary business, resolution number 2, ordinary resolution, approval of the consolidated annual financial statements of the company for the year ended 31st March 2025 along with the report of the auditors. Ordinary business, resolution number 3, ordinary resolution, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Indrajit Roy, DIN number 09760378, who retires by rotation in terms of section 152(6) of the Companies Act 2013 and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Special business, resolution number 4, special resolution, reappointment of Mrs. Komal Bhotika, DIN number 08845578 as a non-executive independent director for the second term of 5 consecutive years. Special business, resolution number 5, ordinary resolution, appointment of Messrs. MKB and Associates, a firm of practicing company secretaries, firm registration number P2010WB0427700 as the secretarial auditor of the company. Special business, resolution number 6, ordinary resolution, ratification of the cost auditor's remuneration. Now I invite the members who have registered themselves as speakers for this for their comments on the accounts. I request the members to restrict their comments and queries to the business of the AGM and relating only to the company and not to any other matter. Each speaker will have a maximum of 3 minutes to express his or her views. I further inform that only the microphone will be switched on and the cameras will be off due to bandwidth restrictions. To avoid repetition, answers to all the queries will be provided towards the end. The statutory registers required to be kept open at this meeting can be inspected in the electronic mode by any member. The members who have sent in their request are as follows, and we'll call them one by one. Mr. Manas Banerjee, Mr. Amren Nath Roy, Mr. Lily Pradhan, Mr. Sujay Modak, Mr. Subhash Kar, Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta, Mr. Bimal Kumar Krishna Sarkar, Mr. Jaydeep Bakshi, Mr. Manjeet Singh, Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf, Mr. Indrani Chakravarti, Mr. Suvita Chakravarti, Mrs. Bharati Saraf, Deepanita Chakravarti, Abhishek Kalra, Mahesh Kumar Bhupna, Hiranand Parsuram Kotwani, Sunil Kumar Modak, Mrs. Chandravati Gattani, and Mr. Gautam Nandi. So I'll now request the tech team to unmute one by one so that we can hear the members speak.
I am audible, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone, respected chairman, esteemed board members, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Manas Banerjee, joining the virtual AGM from Kolkata. For the financial year 2025, our company recorded a net profit of rupees 6.10 crore, a notable turnaround from a net loss in the previous year. Sales also rose 23.03% to 132.40 crore. Our company's operating profit also saw a huge jump. Congratulations to the entire team for their efforts to making this a successful year. I strongly support all the resolutions by remote e-voting. Now I have some questions. Number one, sir, what is the company's outlook on sustaining the positive momentum in revenue and profitability in the coming years? My second query is, sir, what is your plans to optimize operational costs in the coming years to improve profit margin? And finally, given the current market condition for plantation products, what is your outlook for the coming fiscal year? Before I conclude, I express my gratitude to our respected company secretary, Mr. Sharad Bagri, and his full team for doing an excellent investor services. Thank you and wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you.
Next speaker, Mr. Amrendra Nath Ray.
Am I audible, sir? Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Respected Chairman, other board of members present, myself Amarendra Nath Rai, an equity shareholder of Shri Vasuprada Plantation Limited, joining video conferencing from Kolkata. Special thanks to our all experienced cordial company secretary, Mr. Sharad Bagri, for giving me an opportunity to express my views, and his secretarial department rendering good investor service. Sir, I have some queries. Sir, since Indian tea auction price increased about 18% in 2024, how has this benefited our company's overall revenue and profitability? Please share your views. Next, the report highlights government's reform and support for the tea industry. Sir, how is the company planning to leverage these initiatives for long-term sustainability? Please share your views. Third, rubber consumption in India recorded a significant increase in 2024. Sir, how is the company planning to align with this growing demand? Next and last, with Indian coffee price remaining buoyant in line with global trends, how has this benefited our company's performance? Please share your views. I have casted my voting in favor of all resolutions. I have full trust on our strong, efficient management. I wish our company's prosperity. I believe our company will grow up near height near future. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceeding. Thank you, sir.
Next speaker,
Am I audible?
Mrs. Lily
Am I
Pradhan.
audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Very good morning, all chairpersons and all viewers. Myself, Lily Pradhan, long-time shareholder from Kolkata, attending the meeting through video conferencing. I am obliged that the management has given me chance to speak at AGM. First of all, I would like to thank the board of directors, respected chairman, respected MD, respected CFO, respected secretary with secretarial team for a wonderful arrangement and guiding me in advance for attending the AGM through video conferencing. List must be busy in future because any part of the world, persons can participate and express their views. As a secretary, always coordinate with me, even all shareholder. Very good, appreciate the personalized human beings. Overall, very good investor services. Chairman sir, I am really proud to you for being polite, decent, hardworking, and patientful behavior. I hope under your leadership, our company will better to better in coming future. Go ahead, good wishes always with you. I received email of notice well in advance. I wholeheartedly support all resolution by voting. I am very happy to know that the company's performance is developing a lot, which is sustainable growth. Now I have put some specific question and request in present section. What is the credit rating of the company? What is aim and object of future development by AI technology? Have you any status of applying AI technology? What is the status of cost cutting measurement and management? What is the CapEx plan for future development? Nothing more. As a women speaker, request always support women empowerment, which is most important, and they must be obeying by trusting for dignity and respect. Thank you so much. With warm regards and best wishes. All the best. Chairman sir, please consider the plant visit, tea garden visit. Please listen to me. Consider the plant visit, tea garden visit.
Thank you.
Next speaker, Mr. Sujan Modak.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Namaskar,
please.
esteemed Chairman, other Board of Directors. I'm Sujan Modak. Sir, our company is doing fine, sir. I have no questions, sir. Just I wanted to know what is the plan for next 2 years to increase our profitability. And all the best wishes. Over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Modak.
Next speaker, Mr. Subhash Kar.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Kar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and greetings of the day to our respected chairman, sir, esteemed members of the board and fellow shareholder. I'm Subhash Kar joining from Kolkata. Sir, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to you and the entire management team on achieving an outstanding turnaround result in this fiscal year. Sir, I wholeheartedly support all the resolution passed through remote e-voting. Sir, I have only 2 questions, sir. Sir, with tea output falling but coffee and rubber showing strong growth, what strategic measure will management take to stable tea production will capitalize on higher margin crops? And next question, sir, with case of plantation now a material subsidiary, how will drive growth and value creation over the next 2 to 3 years? Sir, sir, I would like to convey my sincere thanks the respected, well-experienced company secretary, Mr. S. Bagri, and the entire team for providing good investor service and registering my name as a speaker. Nothing to add more. All stay safe. Thank you, sir, for providing me with this opportunity to express my view. Namaskar.
Next speaker, Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta.
Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello?
Mr. Datta, please.
Good morning, everybody. Respected chairman, distinguished board members, esteemed KMPs, exuberant and vivacious secretarial team, and my fellow shareholders visiting this meeting. I, myself, Tapas Kumar Datta, and equity shareholder of Shri Vasuprada Plantations Limited. I profoundly express my sincere gratitude to the galaxy of Shri Vasuprada Plantations Limited for their dedication, exertion, commitment, and consistent endeavor to make the organization profitable. Our secretarial department have been a little active to inform speaker shareholders about their inclusion and serial number by sending messages
Everybody is
to
only
our
thanking
email.
the company secretary.
Incorporated
please.
listing details, the name of solicitor, internal auditor, secretarial auditor, and cost auditor could have been included. Page 24. How much money have you spent on energy conservation equipment? Page 33. Debtors turnover ratio indicate your credit collection policy getting poor. This might lead to bad debt. Inventory turnover ratio could have been added to this list. Page 52, shareholding pattern. How many numbers of holders are in each category? Page 58, total number of permanent employees, 2728 number. How many are male? How many are female? And what is the turnover rate of permanent employees? CEO and CFO certification on financial statement is not appended to director's report. Page 95, leasehold land. Why don't you charge depreciation on leasehold land? What is the status of lease? Page 101, raw materials, packaging materials, and stock in trade are not included in inventory. May I know the reason? Page 102, movement in change in allowances for expected credit loss or credit impaired is not shown. How are expected credit loss or unpaid receivable impacted? With these few remarks, I would like to conclude. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceedings.
Thank you.
Next speaker, Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar. Next speaker, Mr. Sarkar, are you there?
Bimal Sarkar is available but not responding.
Next speaker, Mr. Jaideep Bakshi.
Yes, a very good morning, Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our Company Secretary, Mr. Sharad Bagriji, for giving me an opportunity to express my views and also presenting a detailed and informative annual report. And sir, you shared most of your queries in the initial speech. Just want to know what is the steps are we taking to come out with much better results in the coming days, and what is your thoughts regarding crop rotation, and how are we planning to cut down our operation cost? Kindly share some that, and wish the company all the best. And sir, and as the inside cover page, we have the Hanuman Mandir at the Junukpil Tea Estate in Assam. Can we have an opportunity to visit the site? If possible, kindly let us know, and wish the company all the best in the coming years. Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity.
Next speaker, Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Not available.
Next speaker, Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf. Mr. Saraf is available?
Yes, yes. Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, Mr. Saraf, please speak.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है, आप बोलिए.
वीडियो अलाउड नहीं है क्या? वीडियो अलाउड नहीं है आपके यहाँ?
ट्राई करते हैं यदि कनेक्ट होता हो तो.
दे दीजिए, लाइन तो डाल देंगे.
Mr. Somnath, आप वीडियो पे कनेक्ट, प्लीज कनेक्ट वीडियो फॉर मिस्टर सराफ.
दिया 1 मिनट दीजिए. मैं हाँ हेलो, नमस्कार।
आप बोलिए ना,
हाँ बोल रहा हूँ।
वीडियो तब तक ट्राई कर रहे हैं, तब तक आप
हमारी
बोलिए सर।
वीडियो
आप
दे दे तो
please।
कभी देखेंगे आदमी जेन्युइन या नकली, यही तो पता लगेगा
अरे
ना आपको।
कोशिश कर रहे हैं,
नहीं
कोशिश
वो
कर
हो
रहे
गया
हैं।
तो हो गया हो ना, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ। वीडियो रहने के आपको
हाँ
पता लगे भी आज दूसरा आदमी तो कोई नहीं बोल रहा है ना।
हाँ
माननीय
जी,
आप
सभापति
विजिबल है, आप विजिबल है सर, आप जी आप दिख रहे हैं।
हाँ
पिछले
जी हाँ जी
25 साल से आपकी आवाज सुनते आ रहा हूँ, आवाज से पहचान
नहीं
लेता
मेरे
हूँ।
को भी दिखाई दे रहा है, मेरा वीडियो ऑन हो गया तो मेरे को पता लग गया है मन जी, ऐसी बात नहीं
हाँ
है। माननीय
बोलिए।
सभापति जी, उपस्थित निर्देशक मंडल के सदस्यगण, अधिकारीगण, कर्मचारीगण, मैं संतोष कुमार सर प्रवक्ता से आप सभी को राम राम करता हूँ। आशा करता हूँ जितने भी डायरेक्टर भाई बहन हैं, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में होंगे। मैं उन सभी कर्मचारी भाई बहनों का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिनकी कड़ी मेहनत का फल है कि आज हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट दे रही है। कर्मचारी के साथ साथ उनकी फैमिली का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जो सदा बैकबोन के रूप में उनके साथ में खड़ी रहती है। सर आपकी के सीएफओ का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ काफी अच्छी बैलेंस शीट देने के लिए सर, काफी अच्छा रिजल्ट देने के लिए। तो बैलेंस शीट ये बात तो कोई प्रश्न नहीं बनता है हेमंत जी। चलिए मैं आपके सीएफओ को कहूंगा एक आध तो पॉइंट हमारे शेयर होल्डर के लिए फ्यूचर में छोड़ दे जिससे हम प्रश्न कर सकें। सर मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट आपसे है, माफ करिएगा, लास्ट ईयर आपने अनाउंस किया था कि 150 ईयर होने पर हम एक मेमोंटो देंगे। वो मेमोंटो मुझे तो आज तक नहीं मिला, दिए हो तो मालूम नहीं है, अगर दिए तो बताइएगा। सेक्रेटरी साहब ने कभी फोन पे नहीं किया कि भी आपका मेमोंटो है ले जाइएगा। तो आपने आपकी जमान थी कि 150 ईयर हमारी कंप्लीट हुए, आप लोग जरूर एक मेमोंटो प्रदान करेंगे। इसके बारे में जरूर ध्यान दीजिएगा और बताने का कष्ट करिएगा। और सर मैं आपके अच्छे रिजल्ट के लिए सीएमओ का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। सिर्फ 3 प्रश्न मेरे सर, एक तो हमने कैपेक्स प्लान और डाइवर्सिफाई के लिए क्या प्लान किया सर, क्योंकि आजकल जिन सर गार्डन है इसके अंदर अपने को नए गार्डन एडिशन करना या डाइवर्सिफाई करने का कोई प्लान है तो बताने का करिए सर। और हमने मार्केटिंग पॉलिसी क्या रखी है, क्या हमने मार्केटिंग पॉलिसी में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का उपयोग किया तो उसके बारे में जरूर बताइएगा। और ये भी बताने का कष्ट करिएगा कि इसका आउटकम क्या है। ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कि मैंने पहले कहा कि बैलेंस बहुत अच्छी दी आपने, अतः फाइनेंस ईयर 25-26 के आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ फाइनेंस ईयर 25-26 जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर भाई बहन, जितने भी कर्मचारी भाई बहन, जितने भी हमारे एसोसिएट है उनके लिए हेल्दी वेल्दी प्रॉस्पेरिटी और सेफ्टी के साथ व्यतीत होगा। मैं हमारे बागड़ी जी का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जो हमारे सेक्रेटरी, उनको एक कहूंगा सर कम से कम एक स्पीकर नंबर बता दिया करिए, एक साथ में कई मीटिंगें रहती है और साल में अगर एक बार फोन करेंगे तो आप छोटे नहीं होंगे सर। स्पीकर से एक बार जरूर बात करिए, आपकी बात आवाज सुनने के लिए वो लोग तरसते रहते हैं। सर आने वाले त्योहारों की आपको सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ, चाहे वो राष्ट्रीय त्योहार हो चाहे आपके पर्सनल त्योहार हो, उनकी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। भगवान से हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूँ ये त्योहार आपकी हमारी जिंदगी में खुशियाँ और आनंद याद दिन लेके आएंगे सर। सर मॉडरेटर का आभार प्रकट करते हुए अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद जय भारत, राम राम।
नेक्स्ट स्पीकर इंद्रानी चक्रवर्ती।
Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Very good morning, sir. I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family member in favor of you in this AGM. I believe my company will perform better to better in coming future. Sir, my question is, how many ladies staff in your company? How many female staff in your company? Nothing more to say. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, Mrs. Chakravarti. Next
speaker Sudipto Chakravarti.
Very good morning, sir. I am Sudipto Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of Jhumkoli Tea. At first, now name is changed, Vasuprada. So at first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. Sir, our company is very old company and always very investor friendly company. Always try to do something for the minority shareholder. I am proud to be a part of this company. I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better to better for our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. Our secretarial team always cooperate with the shareholder whenever we go your registered office. Our company secretary and his associates always warm welcome to us. Sir, my question is, how can you control your liabilities and interest costs? Sir, please try to arrange a tea garden visit for the attending member. We are always with you. We casted vote in your favor. Thank you, everybody.
Next speaker, Bharti Saraf.
Not available.
Next speaker, Dipanvita Chakravarti.
May I audible?
Yes,
May I audible?
please. Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Myself, Dipanita Chakravarti, attending VC from Kolkata. At first, I want to congratulate Board of Directors, Company Secretary, and my fellow shareholders to give me a chance in this platform. I hope my company will perform better to better in coming future. I casted my vote in favor of you. I just want to know future 2 to 3 years roadmap of our company. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next speaker, Mr. Abhishek Kalra.
Not available.
Next speaker, Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bubna.
Not available.
Next, Mr. Hiranand Kotwani.
Not available.
Next, Mr. Sunil Kumar Modak.
Not available.
Next, Chandravati Gattani.
Not available.
Last speaker, Mr. Gautam Nandi.
Not available.
Thank you, shareholders, for all the encouragement and the good words that you have spoken. Let me just answer some of the issues which were raised by you. There was a question on use of AI technology. We have so far not deployed any AI technologies, and because it is still early days, but we look forward to adapting it as and when we see real positive results coming out of use of AI technology, which definitely will come through, especially in the area of pest management and tending to the gardens. We do not have any capex plan for the coming financial year, save and except in case of a strategic acquisition of tea estate in Assam, if the valuations and the prospects look good, especially in the context of your company's performance. As you have seen, tea, although despite being the largest component with 6 estates manufacturing tea out of 8 that we have, or 9 that we have, but the results from tea has consistently been bad over the last decade, and except for 1 or 2 years of reasonable profit, but overall results of tea has been not very encouraging. That is because of the structural shift that we are seeing in small leaf holdings and small growers holding vis-a-vis organized gardens, and the compliance burden on the organized sector is significantly higher than that of the small growers. Your team, led by Mr. Our Executive Director, Mr. Indrajit Ruad, we have taken a stand that we cannot compete in the domestic markets with the unorganized sector because there is no price premium being given by any of the packeteers for the sustainable business models that we run in on our estates. As the buyers, the large packeteers, they only look at price and they are not really concerned whether all the laws of the lands have been followed in manufacturing the tea. Consequently, they are chasing low cost, low value, and low quality teas that the unorganized sector has been supplying, especially in North India. As a consequence, your company over the last 2 years has embarked on a policy of trying to convert all our estates from domestic market focus to exports. You'll be happy to note that our Jamelia Tea Garden, which was the first from where we tried to do the exports, has continuously been exporting to Middle East and Europe, and it is fully EU MRL compliant. Because for exports, you need to have MRL compliance levels significantly better than that which you require for the domestic market. Since last year, we have been manufacturing orthodox at Chungtuli Tea Estate, and consequently, all the orthodox is obviously destined for the export markets because Indian market for orthodox teas is negligible. So, although we are not directly exporting Chungtuli, but we are exporting it through the merchant exporters who are buying our teas in the auction or privately, and that is also getting exported. The other estate in North India that we have, which is Azizbagh, part of Keshava, we have made it rainforest land. Rainforest Alliance ready. So and it is also EU MRL compliant. So teas from there are also being exported to Europe, and so the plan for North India is concentrate on making high quality CTC teas which are export focused at 2 of the estates and manufacture orthodox at Chungtuli, so that is also export focused. So directly or indirectly, we intend to export at least 75% of the teas that we manufacture in North India and focus it that way. Coming to the tea in South India, you'll be happy to note that we have converted the Pulikanam estate also to 100% orthodox. The teas have been received well and are being bought up in the Cochin auction system and again being exported to the countries which look forward to Indian orthodox production. Finally, we have Guman Khan in South India, another tea estate. There we are not being able to position it either for the domestic market or, and so we are embarking upon a long-term plan to convert that estate from tea to coffee, because it is in the heart of the coffee growing belt and the climate is suitable for growing coffee. So this is as far as tea business is concerned, and it continues to struggle. However, we still are looking for acquisition so that we can build up the volumes that are required for direct exports into Europe and Middle East. As you are aware, last year the coffee prices went through a significant boom, and the company there was a question relating to it also. The company has made a reasonable profit on its coffee operations, totaling to almost 8 crores. Almost 8 crores profit has come through come from coffee operation, which has been able to take care of the interest burden that the company faced on running all the estates put together. So that has been the redeeming feature of last year's accounts. In rubber also, we have been able to make marginal improvements. We are still having a litigation. 50% of the estates, rubber estate is still not being uprooted and replanted because of the decision of the Forest Department, Government of Kerala, that we have moved necessary applications before the Honorable Court. The court has now finally permitted felling of trees. However, some procedural requirements are yet to be prescribed by the Forest Department, and therefore we were not able to undertake those operations. But once that is completed, your rubber crop will also significantly go up in the coming years. In the meanwhile, we have stepped up the operations of purchase latex at the rubber estate and have significantly improved the volumes and thereby the profit margins from the rubber business. So this is all that I have to say. There was a question regarding leasehold land. There are some small leasehold lands in Assam which is yet to be regularized. We have already moved an application with the government of Assam for regularization of these lands and have also volunteered to surrender some lands which have been encroached upon by others in lieu of these lands. And we reasonably hope that over the next 2-3 months, these matters will be resolved and taken care of. Our the other leasehold land is the 999 years lease of the rubber estates, which is currently a subject matter of dispute before the Kerala High Court. And this will be a long-drawn dispute and has resulted from the amalgamation of the Cochin Estate Division of Cochin Malabar Estates and Industries with your company, and the reluctance of the government of Kerala to recognize such restructuring of the company, which is being contested in the honorable courts in Kerala. So this is all. Somebody asked regarding female staff. More than 50% of the permanent employee workforce of the company is women, and your company is actively engaged in ensuring full compliance of labor laws and other statutory provisions in respect of the female workforce. I think all the queries which have been raised have been answered. However, members are free to write in personally to the company secretary or to the executive director for any further queries that they may have in respect of the performance of the company, and we would be glad to answer them in writing or otherwise, or over a cup of tea, coffee, or whatever else members would like to have when they do visit the office in pursuit of their queries with the company. With this, I thank you all for attending the annual general meeting. There being no other business, I hereby declare the meeting as closed.
Recording can be stopped.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We close the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, directors. Thank you, directors, for coming and attending this board meeting. And I'm sure the management assures us that next year they will come up with better results than what we have seen last year. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.